how to install a hard drive. Turn off the power right here. Unplug the power cord and unplug your Ethernet if you have it plugged in. Take out these two screws, this top one right here and that bottom middle one there. Pull this whole unit out. Assuming you've taken all the screws out. Possibly this one as well. Yep. Pull this unit out. Hard drive is plugged in underneath here. This metal plate holds it in. So we need to remove this screw here. This screw here. And these two screws right here. Pardon me while I hold the thing steady. There we go. With those 4 screws out, this will slide out. There's a little tab here that hooks on the back side, which makes it not just fly right out. This is a lot easier with 2 hands. Oh, so if we take this panel off, this screw and this screw here will make this top panel come off, and there's a little bend in that metal that holds the hard drive piece in place. Who would have tightened that so tight? Okay, with that out of the way, this lifts out very easily. the hard drive sits in here. These two wires just plug into the end of the hard drive. The hard drive sits in there, and these 4 screws hold the hard drive in place. Once you've placed the hard drive in there, tighten those 4 screws, plugged in the 2 connectors there. The back end has this little tab, which will go in there. You can replace your 4 screws, put this guy back on, slide the whole business back into there, put those 3 screws back in, and power the thing back up, and you should be good to go.